Hindi, baliktad mo. Porfi. It should be... Oh, yan. Teka. Oh, Porf.
The cake.
Ano mo.
Happy birthday to
To
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Porfi. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, again. Yan. Ganyan, yan. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Luigi. We love you. Make a wish. Blow. Yay. Wow, love you, anak. Oh.
Did you make a good
Ay,
wish?
wait. Oh.
Yes, we make a good wish.
Will you share it with us or you keep it to yourself?
Share it. Sharing
Okay.
is important.
What did you wish for your...
To have no more diabetes for all of us, and make my father's legs be cured of diabetes,
Oh,
and
dear.
make us live long, so
Yes.
that God will help us live long, with the help of these good doctors,
Yes.
and to make at the end be cured of kidneys, and get rid of dialysis and diabetes.
Yes.
All of us can become best car driving family people,
Yes, we
And
will
then-
have that.
and then find the right love interest who will be a good wife to me and a good mother to my future children, and a person who loves driving cars just like us, and a person who doesn't like to attend parties.
Why? If a person likes to attend parties,
Sino
you
ba?
don't like
Sino?
that. Who likes
And a
attending
pers-
parties? Who likes attending parties?
Who doesn't
No.
like?
And a person who knows about the will of God like me.
Oh, yes.
Next.
Who wants the will of God always there?
And a person,
Mm.
I think my father's legs will be cured of diabetes.
Yes.
Thank
Now, what kind of cake did you order for your birthday? And mommy made it for you.
Cheesecake is a type of keto cheesecake.
Cheddar cheesecake. And you discovered it when you were eating where? You learned about cheesecake about where? You
In
were eating
France.
cheesecake.
Happy
Cafe.
France.
In Cafe France. So, mom made you cheesecake. Does it taste good?
Yes, it tastes so good.
Get a spoon. We break the... Wait. Wait. Focus it. I-focus mo. Such that...
Nag-video pa yan?
Such that... We'd be able to see you cutting your cake. Sige. Make a spoon.
Baka matumba, ma'am, yung...
Teka.
Sa ilalim.
Make a spoon. Di ba, Lina Steve? Hayaan mo. It's there kahit na matumba. Ayan. Porfi. Wait. Siguro ganyan kailangan. Ayan. So that, yan, makikita. Sige, okay. Get the spoon. Teka, how come iba ang cooler doon? Okay. Get a spoon. Sige, ayusin mo. Ayan. Oh, wow. Sarap ba?
Yes. That's so good.
Wow.
Bakit nagaganon, Porfi?
Ba't nag-half na ganun, Porf? It's okay? It's okay? It will
Yes.
turn out right? Okay? Wow. Oh, give to Dad.
So delicious.
Teka. Give for Mom. Wait. I should be included. Sarap, ha? So, it's 12:05. Papa's birthday is finished. Gift.
Yes.
January 24 now.
You like it?
I
Sobra
like
ba?
yes.
It'll taste even better when it's cold. But it just came out of the oven.
Yes.
Tamo, sabi ko sa'yo, he'll have to eat it on his birthday. So the two, is shirataki and
Cheesecake.
Yes.
You like it?
I like
Is that your favorite cake now or chocolate cake? What do you want? Chocolate
It's
cake?
my favorite now, the cheesecake, Mom.
Talaga, saan nyo na-discover yan?
Sa Cafe France. Lagi siyang, yan ang kinakain niyang dessert.
Ito lang, hospital.
Siguro mga last 3 or 4 days, siya. Discover niya. Kasi meron dong triple layer chocolate cake, hindi niya na-typean.
Pero, keto cheesecake.
Hindi. It's not keto. Diba it's not keto, Porfi, no? Ours is keto.
What is keto? Yes.
You saw the book, oh. So look as to how much Porf has
Saan
eaten.
kunin mo yung libro?
Oh, take the picture of the, show the picture of the book. Oh. Daddy, iputin mo. Wow.
Yeah.
Never mind, importante. Oh, how he's enjoying it, oh. Show. This is the picture of the
Recipe.
keto cheesecake that Mom
It's
made for
colored white
Porfi.
like an angel.
Yes.
Keto.
And it's keto. What we were eating in Cafe France wasn't keto, okay? Okay.
Valentine's Day will be on next month.
What do you want to prepare for Valentine's Day?
The love heart shape.
Yes, okay. And what kind of cake will it be? The shape
The
is
pink
hard.
one.
The red velvet cake?
The red velvet cake.
Okay. Red velvet
The
cake.
red velvet.
Now he's eating all the surrounding. Wow.
Yeah.
Sige, more. Remaining. Daddy, pagkakataon mo na, mauubos na yung lahat ng surrounding part. The important thing is that you were able to eat it before the end of your birthday. Tignan mo? Normally, you place it in the refrigerator for 6 hours before you eat it. Para mas solid. Oh. Do you like it? Oh,
Yeah.
give me a little. At saka masarap ito yung mga cheesecake na nakakauta eh.
Ito hindi.
That's all for now.
That's all for now. Till
Till
next time
Till
that we
next
have
time.
videos.
bye.
Bye. I love you. Kiss muna. Mwah.